friends, and welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. I put up a poll on my Instagram asking if I should film a week in my life or do a Q&A, and everybody said that, well, the majority said that they wanted a week in my life, and I posted it yesterday, which was Monday. So I'm starting my week on Tuesday, but that's okay. Yesterday wasn't very exciting anyways. It was my mom's birthday and we did go out to dinner, which was nice, but other than that, it was a very chill day. I do think this week is also going to be very chill, but I am excited because I did book a trip. I booked a trip on Sunday and I'm going back to Orlando. And I'm so excited because I haven't been back to Orlando since I moved there back in March, and it is currently August. And I get that that's not that long. I have been missing Orlando so much. And honestly, besides like Disney World, I am just missing being in Orlando. And I have some friends in Orlando, but even more exciting, my best friend Charlotte, as you guys probably know, she moved back to Northern Ireland about the same time that I moved back to Seattle, and we both actually moved to Orlando in the same like weekish, and we both started our Disney accounts at the same time, and that's how we're friends. So like we are living on the same path, but literally she's coming back too, and I'm so excited to see her. I haven't seen her. I've stayed in contact with her. I literally talk to her more than I talk to any of my friends, which is amazing because, you know, like long distance friendships are hard, but like this is one that's in a different country and a different time zone, but we have made an effort to stay friends, and oh my gosh, I love her and I'm so excited to see her. And I feel like it's been so long, and we're gonna be staying together, and Hayden's coming this time too, which is amazing because he was very sad that he was going to be missing out where I went a couple weeks ago. But I'm so excited for Orlando, and I need to outfit plan, and I'm trying to decide if I want to do bounds or if I want to do just regular outfits. I'm kind of leaning towards bounds because I just did regular outfits for Disneyland, but that's because half my trip was San Diego. But this trip is going to be like mostly Disney, just Orlando. So I'm like, maybe I should do bounds, and it's Halloween time. And I get to wear cute outfits. I'll probably just do a couple Halloween looks because I need to have like backup content for the rest of the time, and I can't just like do Halloween content because then once November hits, I'm out of content. And I don't have plans to go back yet. Right now, I am just running some errands, and I got my coffee today, so I'm happy with that. The weather here has been really nice. It's been like in the 80s, and then today it dropped down to 60. It's currently 63 degrees outside right now. I am in my first official sweater of the summer season, the summer fall season, I guess, because it's like I said, it's still August, but literally in a sweater. And I don't know why, but it's kind of making me happy, even though I've really enjoyed summer this year and I'm kind of not looking forward to letting it go yet. I am so excited for fall. This sweater's from Hollister, and I bought it last week on clearance at the outlet for like $7, and I'm like, it's a really nice sweater and I'm excited about a good deal. We're gonna make the most of this week. It's gonna be fun, it's gonna be exciting, and maybe we'll do some like Halloween shopping too. Like I don't need anything, but like maybe we'll go to like Home Goods and do some like autumn shopping and see what they have. Yeah, let's do that.
Until I realized it was $8. Not today, Mickey. This is cute. And this one, but I do have like a problem when cups are not just cup shaped. I won't use them for drinking. Like this is so cute, but I would never drink from it because I feel like you can't get it properly clean. literally said it's Halloween. I'm loving the pink Halloween aesthetic this year. It's so cute. Not really the bright pink, just like the soft girly pop pink. Ooh, but yeah, beyond Halloween aesthetic, I'm loving blue fall. I feel like it's not a common color, but okay, I left pretty unscathed. I only walked out with two things. I walked out with a frame because I have this photo from Disneyland and they didn't have a silver one. And plus, like, I feel like the gold kind of matches the aesthetic. I'm gonna put that in there. I feel like it'll be really, really cute. And like, honestly, you can't beat the price of a frame at TJ Maxx. Actually, I got this one from Home Goods and I got a cute little like ghost mug, which I'm gonna go show you. I am a sucker for a cute mug, but I've been trying to be better, but we don't really have a lot of like big mugs, and I think this one's so cute with little ghosties on it. We're about to go see a movie, but I'm having a big salad for dinner first. We're gonna go see It Ends With Us, which I heard is kind of sad, but I am excited to see. Okay, we made it to the movie theater. We're gonna see It Ends With Us.
That, a sprinkle of joy from my witch's hand. Now add some friendly spirits that haunt the air.
Friends, it is the next day, and even though it is midday, and this is like the first time I'm hopping on the vlog, I have been so productive today. I have a friend coming over later this evening, so I spent the morning cleaning. I worked this morning. I had a call with a brand that I'm actually really excited to work with, and I obviously can't share any details about that, but that was really, really exciting. Like, I'm feeling really good today. I did think I had a doctor's appointment today, but it's actually tomorrow, and thank God I checked, because like I would have missed work this morning and then it would have just been a whole mess up. And I'm so stressed about my doctor's appointment. Nothing's wrong, it's just a checkup, but my health anxiety is real and it's frightening. So like, I didn't sleep well last night out of fear of my doctor's appointment this morning, but then my doctor appointment wasn't even this morning. So anyways, that's been where I'm at, but the day has turned around. My anxiety's kind of simmered down, even though I'm gonna go to the doctor's tomorrow, but I feel like better about it just because I've had a really good day. I had a pretty decent like morning, and I got to do some online shopping this morning for a brand deal. I'm doing a brand deal with Torrid. I'm really excited about that because they sent me a lot of money to go shopping, and that's always fun, especially when it's not on your own dime. And I got some cute stuff for the Disney trip because I got a few like Halloween pieces and like a few graphic tees and some jeans and shoes. So I'm excited for those. My friend's coming over tonight and I am making us dinner, and for dinner I want to do like, it's a copycat recipe from Disneyland and actually Disney World. They have it at both parks, and it's one I've been making for years now. I tried it for like 3 years ago at Disneyland in the Star Wars Docking Bay 7. It's their felucian Kefta, which is their like their plant-based meal option there, and they're like little meatballs with hummus and pita bread, and I figured out how to make it at home, and low-key I kind of like mine better, and so that's what we're gonna do for dinner. And like I said, it's like these like plant-based meatballs, and I'll show you guys how I make them because they turn out really good and they're really easy, and you can like meal prep and have them for the week. So I'm gonna make some extra, so I have those as well. So we have to go to Trader Joe's and get all the ingredients for that because I don't even think we have any of the ingredients. But I will be taking you guys along for that right now. I did finally clean my room after so long. It hasn't been like dirty, but it's been like really like a lot of stuff everywhere and packages and clothes not hung up, and I got all of that taken care of and vacuumed, and it's probably the cleanest it's been since I've moved in here, and I'm not mad about that. I also just am excited to have my friend over. She's one of my like good friends that I've known for a few years, and so I'm hoping she likes dinner, and she has a son and she's bringing him, so that's always fun. But yeah, let's go to Trader Joe's, let's get some groceries, let's make a yummy magic Disney filled dinner. And the best part is like, she's not a Disney girl, she doesn't hate Disney, she's just not like a Disney girl like me, so she'll have no idea that it's a Disney copycat recipe, so I get to have a little magic and she just gets to have a yummy meal. So let's go do that. grocery shopping is done. They didn't have like a Mediterranean spice blend, which I typically use in the felucian kefta, but I'm just gonna omit it and like put like garlic and salt or something when I cook it, because I'm not gonna stop by another store because that sounds like too much work. We're gonna go home and start making dinner. Okay, I'm gonna show you guys how I make the felucian kefta. It's gonna be just a very informal recipe. I do everything by eyeball, but I think you can figure it out. So what I start with is, I always start off by cooking like one like tiny pot of quinoa, and I noticed that they have this like multicolor quinoa in the one in Disneyland, and I get this one from Trader Joe's. I can show you guys the bag. I get the organic tricolor quinoa. This one works great, and you only need like a 1/4 cup for the kefta, but I'm doing a double batch today. And then on the side of the kefta is like a tomato cucumber like mix. So I'm gonna cut those so they can like sit and soak and marinate with each other. And then we'll get to the rest of the kefta shortly. Okay, I started the kefta. This is just one small onion, and I have the tomato cucumber mix. I don't like tomato and cucumber, so this isn't necessary, but I know my mom, my friend, my sister do, so I'm making that for them. So we're gonna take this and I'm gonna put 2 packs of Impossible Meat. The ratio, like I said, is very flexible. Since we're using 2 packs, I used 1 small onion, but you could just use half an onion. And I'm gonna put these in there and I'm gonna mix them. You can also, I like to add an egg to bind it, but if you're trying to keep it plant-based, you do not need an egg, but it does help with the binding process, so I'm going to add that as well. Okay, so this is the egg and Impossible Meat mixture. I'm now gonna add the quinoa. And the important thing to remember is with the quinoa, you need to make sure it's like really dry and not liquidy, because if it's liquidy, it'll break apart. So like I kind of like overcook the quinoa, and I make sure that there's like, sorry, it's hot, so the steam's getting it, but I make sure there's no liquid, and we're gonna put all of this into there. Okay, I mixed it all together, and now I'm gonna make little tiny balls and put them into my air fryer, which I sprayed with olive oil. Okay, here's the final product. I feel like it's obviously not served in a black dish, but I feel like it's pretty darn close. And they just get air fried till they're done, which takes about like 7 to 10 minutes. And then this is hummus, but this is the secret sauce that makes everything amazing. And it's not part of the felucian kefta Copycat, but I just discovered that this tastes amazing with this. That secret sauce is the Trader Joe's garlic spread dips. This stuff is so good. It's so garlicky and it tastes so great with those meatballs. Today's gonna be a content day, but I'm shooting content for brands that I'm not going to post. It's like UGC content where they pay me to make them content. So like what I'm creating today, you won't see on my socials, but it is kind of fun for me and I get paid a little bit for it. So it's like a fun way to make extra money. But I'm going to Hayden's house to film those because he has really good lighting at his house, like natural lighting, and he has a nicer kitchen. And some of these items are like kitchen tools. So I'm gonna be doing that today. And tomorrow is the Ren Fair, but they might do a whole separate vlog for Ren Fair, which would cut this week in our life a day short, but I think that's okay. Let's go to Hayden's, let's get some content made. Let's have a good day. So Willow is on a mission with us right now. Willow baby. Yeah, we're at the pet store picking up some cat food. And we're gonna be switching her from kitten food to adult food. So it's a big day for Willow, and she loves going on adventures, so this is a fun way to spend the day. Okay, I did a terrible job vlogging today, but I am just showered and literally just like washed my face and I'm ready for bed. You can see I have my heatless curls. Like right before this, I showed you guys my 2 options for my Renaissance Fair outfit. Also, I hope you can hear me, the fan's on and I don't want to get up to turn it off. I showed you my 2 options for my Renaissance Fair outfit, and you're gonna have to wait and see which one I choose. It'll be in the next vlog and I am excited about it. It's like not exactly what I wanted it to be, which is okay, but I did kind of decide to go last minute. So like I know if I enjoy it this year, I'll definitely go next year, and I will like definitely go with like a little bit more exciting aesthetic. But I'm having so much fun like thinking about it and like dressing up and like figuring it out. And I have like a few other little ideas that I'm gonna like try, and I don't know. You guys will see it in the next vlog. I need to go to bed because I have to be up early to get ready. But yes, I'm going to bed. Thank you guys for watching, and I will see you next time, and I will see you at the Renaissance Fair.